Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Here we are going to talk about hypothalamus and how it is linked with the pituitary. So hypothalamus is master of master gland. Pituitary is a master gland and to that also hypothalamus is going to control. Master of master gland or supermaster gland we can call it. Hypothalamus performs both the roles. It performs the neural part, it performs the endocrinal function also. We know that thing, it is a part of the limbic system, hypothalamus, part of the emotional brain, help in regulating temperature and lots of function it performs. So here the hypothalamus, which is a part of a diencephalon in brain, the forebrain part. So this is containing the specialized cell called neurosecretory cells. These neurosecretory cells secrete hormones. Okay. Now, the category of the hormone which are secreted by the hypothalamus is inhibitory and releasing. It means the type of the hormones which are released by the hypothalamus will going to reach to the pituitary and allow it to inhibit the secretion or to release more amount of the hormone in the body. So as per the feedback mechanism, these hormones will be secreted. And where they are going to act on? They are going to act on the pituitary gland. Okay. Now we'll see how these hormones which are secreted by hypothalamus will reach to the pituitary. So for that, the portal system is present over here. Okay. Let's talk about that. This is the hypothalamus. This complete. This complete is the hypothalamus, and these are those neurosecretory cells, specialized cells. Hypothalamic neurons we can call it. Okay, neurosecretory cells. What are these? These are the neurosecretory cells. Now this particular region through which this pituitary is connected, this is infundibulum or pituitary stalk, okay, which is non-secretory in function. This is not going to secrete anything over there. Clear? Now, this particular portion, these particular cells, as you can see, they are smaller and they are not reaching to the pituitary. So they secrete their chemicals into the blood. These are the capillary systems. So this is that particular artery, okay, which is bringing blood, and this is that particular vein which will taking the blood away from it, and this is that capillary system. So here these chemicals are secreted, IH and RH hormones, and through the blood they will diffuse, and via blood they will enter into pituitary gland, reaches to the pituitary cells, and then the cell will secrete the different categories of hormone. Clear? Over here, these particular neurons you can see reaching to the pituitary. Okay, pituitary के अंदर तक जा रहे हैं. So whatever the hormone they are going to synthesize, they are directly sent to the pituitary over here, and here the pituitary is going to store them. Okay, this particular system, which is the part of the circulatory system, which is responsible for communicating from hypothalamus to pituitary, this is the hypophyseal portal system. Hypophyseal portal system. Portal system which is acting as a connector between the two organs. Okay, directly the blood is not going to the heart. Okay, here the hormones are not directly sent to the blood sent to the heart via blood. They are first coming to pituitary. Okay, pituitary will going to use them for the further communication with the other glands. Clear? Next is next we are going to talk about this pituitary connection over here, like what this pituitary gland is going to do. Yeah, this complete structure, this is of the pituitary. This pituitary gland is mainly divided into two lobes, and this is one partition between the two lobes. This is a part of the anterior pituitary pars intermedia. Okay, and this is the posterior pituitary. This region is the posterior pituitary. This region is the anterior pituitary. So this particular partition, which is going to separate the two lobes of pituitary gland, this is also coming under anterior pituitary. Clear? Now, as you can see over here, the posterior pituitary is directly receiving the hormone from the hypothalamus. Whatever the hormone, that this is going to secrete to ADH and oxytocin. Okay. These two hormones are synthesized by hypothalamus and stored by pituitary, and pituitary is going to release them. Okay. So directly they are coming through these cells. As the nerve cell, as this neuron is directly approaching to the posterior pituitary, this posterior pituitary is also termed as neurohypophyseal. Okay? Yeah? So this is our anterior pituitary, which secretes lots of hormone. This only release to ADH and oxytocin. Clear here? In our next lecture, we will talk about different hormones secreted by pituitary. Thank you.